Happy Friday, everybody, and let's welcome and see pre-market stock market. And you can see green lines are the support lines, red lines are the sell lines, and stock market US 100 Nasdaq is near neutral line. White line is the middle line, which is neutral line. We don't do anything in the middle. We only take trades if it goes in the sell line or if we buy if it goes in the buy line. We sell here, we short here, we buy here, we call here. Okay, so it's in the middle. PPI data came and I think it was here around 8:30, and now they're boosting. I think it came lower than expected inflation, so they're boosting. So trying to break out. Now, one thing to note, if I go to daily chart on today's session, just remember that this could be it's good on triple Qs. It shows better. This was a gap down, right? So we are still near resistance area. Okay, so let's see if it breaks down, or this is an ideal area to short in my opinion, because this was a big resistance because it gapped down and we gap filled yesterday, day before yesterday, and then we were just holding there, all right? So if it failed here, that's going to be bearish and we can come all the way down to fill this gap around 397. Okay, this gap will be filled. I don't know when. So just remember that, like, there could be a bearish session a couple of days. We can get bearish pressure and it can go 3% down. All right. So just keep that in mind and be very, very cautious. If you're long, look to take profits really, really fast. All right. That's my suggestion. All right. So Nasdaq 100 now going towards sell zone, which is good. So this is the area you should be looking to short. Nasdaq 100, sorry, S&P 500 also going near sell zone. And if I go to E-mini futures, ES, that level is 48.33 and up, good area to sell. And on Nasdaq NQ, that level is 17.040 and up. That's a good area to sell. All right. Dow Jones is in the neutral zone in the middle. We don't do anything in the middle. Russell 2000 also going to sell zone, which is very good. We're getting very close to a nice short entry here on Dow Jones. Now Tesla is down significantly. It's well below my target of 224. This was a gap fill, so uh, you can buy if you are a long-term investor. This is good level to buy, and I'm thinking to buy. Um, Looking for a little bit more downside around this level, to be honest. 217. So anywhere here around, you can see this whole top here. So yeah, I'm looking for around here 217.6 and below. So anything here and below, I'm going to mark it with maybe another line here. This is good area, okay? So that means it has to drop another 1%, 1.4% on top of 2 and 2.8%, all right? Yesterday I put an order here, it never got filled. It's good for me, it did not fill because today would be a gap down that would have taken me by surprise. There's some bearish news, they're reducing price of cars. But I think these are good levels. You can see a lot of support in this area. If I zoom out, this was resistance, resistance, and then broke out support here, support here. So this whole box, green box, anytime we go below let's say 218 and below, buy, start buying, buying. So that's my strategy on Tesla, all right? Uh, okay. So yeah, you can see I marked it with the purple line. Anyhow, all right. Uh, Crude oil, there was some news on some military strike, and now it's pumping near sell zone, now going down. So near sell zone, gold yesterday pumped from buy zone to the sell zone. Nothing else to say. Still things with silver, buy zone to the sell zone. All right. So now it's in the sell zone. So the trade is now short. Crude oil, sorry, natural gas also pumping in the sell zone. Bitcoin coming to the buy zone here. 45,312 and below to buy dollar. If dollar drops below, I might be buying dollar. So I'm looking for a drop of, let's say, 0.21% more. So if dollar drops a little bit more, it's going to come in my buy zone, and I'll be all over it. I won't care about stock. I'm very interested in buying dollar. So I'm keeping an eye on everything. Hang Seng Index um, going above. It's near neutral line, so nothing to do here. This is China. Copper a bit higher than buy zone. Palladium bouncing from the neutral zone. Soybeans in the neutral zone. Wheat in the neutral zone. Corn also in the neutral zone. Sugar in the sell zone. All right. So stock wise, Apple is now a little bit up pre-market. Uh, Snowflakes is down. I don't know what's the news here, but there was a gap I marked here, 189, so they want to fill that. Uh, downgrades. All right. Nvidia near sell zone, AMD in the neutral zone. Let's quickly scan through anything else interesting. You can see gold miners are pumping, so we're gonna ignore this. Let's see. Boeing again, another down, minus 1.6%. So near second and third standard deviation. Good time to buy, but I don't know much about stocks, so I'm gonna stay away from it. But indicator is saying it's a good area to buy. UNH down 3.8%. Wow, what happened? This is the biggest healthcare provider. Everything is good. Must be something in the news. Reports better than expected despite higher medical costs. So why is this down? I'm not sure. I have no idea what's going on. And I'm very, very interested in the stock. Put this at the top next to Tesla. Let's quickly do a daily chart and let me hide this indicator. Coming to here, some support area. I have no clue why they're downgrading it. So if it comes to this support area here, so it looks like back test, broke down back test, coming down. This box is where I want to buy, so I'm going to be keeping an eye on this. UNH, see, these are like lucky trades here, guys. All you have to do is be patient. So we have Tesla, we have UNH, and Bank of America also dumping near. You can see this gap. They're planning to fill this gap. Uh, yeah, I think that's about it. Okay, guys. Again, it's near resistance. Let's see if Nasdaq can break that resistance. You can see triple Q. It's an ideal to short here. Okay, so looking for downside, but I could be wrong. Let's see what happens. All right, take care. Bye.